I'm gonna make love to you, woman. Lay you down next to the toilet. I'm gonna wear my dirty diaper. You can blow me while I soil it. I'm gonna shoot my scrubbing bubbles down the back of your throat. And meanwhile, Bach just fucks a goat. Yeah, the podcast is real nice. How can it get nicer? How about let's stay awake and jerk the dirty diapers? You might find some insight deep inside your soul. Or is that just flavor cleaning your butthole? She spits out fabuloso and has to use her tongue. Dan forces her to do it, or else he'll use his gun.